So warm water. And this is vinegar. About half cup. And this is salt, table salt. That's about 2 tablespoons. And mix. Now this is chicken. I bought this one $8.09. That's the $1.49 per pound, and this is a 5.43 pounds. And this is a Purdue whole fryer chicken. Okay, about this. This kind of chicken, what they have nutrition fact is total fat 20%. I think 26%, saturated fat is 23%, cholesterol 33%, sodium 3%, calcium 2%, vitamin A 15%, vitamin C 4%, and iron 8%. That is nutrition fast serving size 4 ounce, 112 grams. That's the calories is 240, and calories from fat is 150. Okay, what to do it? That's it. Let's me. This one is a process on shaped equipment. Cold to serve minimum internal temperature of 165%. Hatched. This hatch raised and harvested in the United States, in the U.S. Okay, now let me wash a little bit. And I have to put this out. Sometimes they still have the hair. I have to clean a bit. Right now I put in the warm water. So, and like this one, it's not really in, so I have to clean. That's a still the chicken skin. Not the skin you can eat, just the skin, the outer skin. That's to protect the chicken. That's good. And it's the same. I have to remove these, the yellow skin. You don't have to have the water on like me. Sometimes I talk and I forgot I keep the water on. So like this one, they still have the hair. I remove it, and here you just take your hand to pull it out. If some it's hard, you use a knife or it's a squeezer or something like that to remove it. My dad, he used ginger and lemongrass leaf, and he massaged to make sure all the yellow, the dirty skin removed. But That's a chicken in the U.S. I think it's been cleaned a lot. So, but I don't. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. Try this one. So, just make sure these will clean. Clean a little bit, and then I put in the mixed water I just showed you. That is the vinegar, hot water, and salt. Let's move over here. Okay. I put the chicken in here, soaking for a little bit, and about 5 minutes. I turn this upside down, and then I keep about 5 more minutes, and I go back to clean it. So see, the yellow stuff will be moved. Okay, I will show you next. Okay, it's almost 5 minutes. Now I move the chicken. I upside down the chicken so the bottom will soaking with the sauce in vinegar, and this is the neck. Stop. Okay, now we just wash this. We clean a bit this. I take it out. Just make sure you clean the yellow stuff out. That's it. Okay. And now I just wipe through the sink water a couple of times to make sure the clean. That's all. You don't have to if you live in the United States. You can bring the chicken just to home and wash it through the sink water, and then you cook. That's fine. But if you want, some people cannot stand the smell of the chicken or something, or you want your chicken taste a little bit subtle or something like that. You do like me, put the vinegar, salt, and in the warm water and wash the chicken thoroughly, and the chicken is less smell. like especially for people doesn't like for people don't like eat meat a lot, but we need meat to get some protein. So yeah, this is where you make the chicken, the meat, less smell of meat, so you can eat it. Like me, that's the whole year. For the whole years, I haven't eaten any fat. Yes, so I'm getting skinny now. I need eat some fats sometime because it's no. If like if you eat something too much, it's not good. But too little, it's not good. Not good too. And not eat at all, it's not good at all too. A little bit everything I think much better. But the time we need to go, it doesn't matter how healthy you eat. But we can prevent, if we do be careful, we can prevent this certain sick in you healthy, than healthier, and just wait the time. That's it. If we don't eat the healthy or we not be carefully and we get sick all the time, it's not good too. Because I know a lot of people depend on, they live on the medicine all their life, but they have no joy to survive. They have to have it. Okay, now it's so far so good. You can see the dirty, the water, some stuff there. Okay. Now, see. done. Okay, it's done. Let's right here is drain the water, and we start preparing